Welcome to your A Plus Minds dashboard. Here you'll find your created assignments, your feedback templates, and all of your student progress. Let's start by exploring the feedback template feature of A Plus Minds. Feedback templates tell A Plus Minds how you want to grade your student papers. It comes equipped with a default template that grades the general content and grammar structure of your student's work. As an A Plus Minds educator, you have the power to create your own template that is customized to the assignment that you provide to your students. All of your created feedback templates are conveniently stored for your future use. Our website features a side menu that allows you to easily access your dashboard elements. Now let's head to My Assignments. Using the Create New Assignment tab, you have the power to input your assignment that you gave to your students. Here, you also get to choose which feedback template will be used to give your students feedback. After inputting the assignment description, you can then create and upload your student responses. Now you are ready to upload your students' work. With A Plus Minds, you can choose to upload a file from your computer or even use Google Drive. After all of them are uploaded, A Plus Minds will then grade each individual document. Now, you can view the full details for each individual assignment. This view shows a full summary of the feedback along with the student's submission. By selecting the View Hide button on the student's document, you have the ability to once again see the full summary of their work. Here, you also have the power to assign the work to a student. This brings us to the third feature of our dashboard, the student progress. Here, each student's work is housed along with their grade and all of their feedback. For a quick reference, clicking on the student's grade will allow you to see the notes on their assignment. All of the data you collect from your student's work can then be exported. The Student Progress feature allows you to not only compare your students' work to their previous work, but also cross-reference across your students, allowing you to find gaps in your instruction. We hope you enjoy A Plus Minds, the tool to help you spend more time with your students.